This is looking towards the front of the truck. I'm on the passenger side. This is your transfer case. And the shift actuators, four-wheel drive actuators are actually in here. This is kind of the screws we're gonna have to remove to take those off. First, you gotta get this off. So that's what we're doing. So just as suspected, the breather hose pretty chewed up. So I'm thinking this is gonna be my problem. Can't really see it very well. Right there is where this breather hose hooks onto, and it is prone to leaking and getting all sorts of weather and crap into it. So that's what I suspect is my issue. Okay, there you go. Just gonna wiggle it back and forth. I've disconnected this one from right here, and this little one from right there. See all that corrosion. That's gonna be my problem.